Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at a wireless microphone system that was sent to me, do a review on, and I just want to show you a little bit about it, and also we're going to do a quick test on it. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and you'll hear how the quality sounds. So microphone yet. So this came in a nice box like this here, nice little kit. Comes in like this, I'll show you here. It comes with an instruction manual, and you really don't need the instruction manual. It's pretty much plug and play, so we'll put that to the side. So what's in the box? I got it right here for you. So what's in the box is the actual microphone itself, which is in an actually charging case, which is really cool. One USB-C adapter or charger, and a little soft case so you can take it on the road. I like the brand. I like the quality of the microphone. I'm doing some testing with it, and so far so good. I'm pretty happy with the results. I've been doing some videos with it and recording with it, and so I like to test them first before I do a review. And so far, it's been pretty good. For the price point, I would say it's better than some of the less expensive ones, and maybe not as good as the highest, maybe high-end ones, of course. But honestly, for the price point, the sound is pretty good. You'll be the judge in a minute. So let's take a look at it. So you open it up and you have the case here. So this is a charging case, just so you know. You plug the USB-C in the bottom here, and it charges two microphones. So this is a dual microphone system. This is for the iPhone. They also have for an Android. I'll leave a link down below. So if you're interested in buying this, purchase one. There's an affiliate link. I do get a small commission to help my channel. That's what that's for. I do appreciate that. So I'll leave that link below. That's where it will be. So you plug this in here. And it's how you charge it up like that. Really simple. It took about 20 minutes to charge. What happens is really cool. What I like about this one, really, guys, about this one, watch this. It gives you a feedback. So 96% more, there's power left. This is a power bank. This charges these little microphones. As you can see here, they're lit up. So when you first get them, a little piece of paper here, you take off the bottom of the paper, pop them in the charger, plug it in, and within 15 to 20 minutes, the whole thing is charged. It has a lightning cable on the bottom here. So if you plug into your phone, and I'll show you 1 minute, you plug it into your phone and you want to just keep it going for a long time. If you want to power your phone, you can actually power your phone while this is connected, which is pretty smart. I like that. That works well. It's got two microphones. You don't have to pair them. You don't have to do anything. It just knows to connect. Now when you pull it out, okay, here it is. So you can see here, the red light's on, it's getting power. All you have to do is hit this power button right here. All right, it turns it on right there, and you get a green light. Green is go. You're good to go. You are all connected. It's all synced. That's that simple. You want to shut it off? Hold the button down. Powers it off. Really easy, right? Let's put this back up. So I'm going to put this. I'm going to start recording here. Okay. So now I'm actually just do a quick cutaway right now. Okay. So now I am talking to you on the microphone. I'm actually put it to my mouth. Pretty good. I think, hopefully you can hear it. I'm pretty close. I'm going to give it a quick test here. I am around, let's say 4 inches. This is 6 inches. Here's 8 inches. And here's a microphone quite a bit away. I would say about a foot and a half away from my mouth. It's a great audio pickup. You can place this on a stage if you're doing a dance school. If you're doing an interview, you can put this next to somebody, or you can put it in a lapel. It does have a connect right here. Okay, so now I have it on my shirt. I'm picking up my phone. You can see my phone. And there's a second microphone right here. I'm going to pop this out. And I'm going to actually put this on as well. So you can see, again, green light. So the second one is on. So right now, let's put it right here. So I am talking to you on the microphone on my chest, on my lapel. And this is the second one. So you should be able to hear that noise. And that's how it sounds. Real simple, right? So I'm on my microphone. This could be a second person, second interview. Really easy, really quick, and just, you can hear that. I'm sure you can. And then shut that down if you want to. You can shut that right off. Super easy. And now I'm talking to you on my lapel, on my clothes. So how does it sound? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, thanks for tuning in to my channel. I appreciate you all stopping by. Today we're talking about this awesome microphone this company sent to me, and I'm using the microphone right now to speak to you on it. And how does it sound to you? I'm talking in a normal voice. I'm in a regular room, and it's around, I would say, maybe 6 inches from my mouth, approximately. But I am talking down, and I'm talking towards the product, and the microphone's right below my mouth. And typically that's how it kind of goes. Or if you want to raise it a little bit higher, you can adjust it any way you want. So I like it. It sounds great. And that's all there is to it. It's simple, easy, and functional. And now I'm talking to you. I am talking to you on my GoPro now. So that is where we're at. So super easy to use, super simple. Again, pop it in. It'll charge it right back up. Really nice. It'll give you how much power is left in here. These also have USB-C chargers on the back of on the sides of these, so you can charge these individually. So if you need if you need the charge on the go, let me find that adapter right here. So you can just plug these right in here, so you can charge these individually. Or I just like to simply just use the block, use the case to charge it. It's got a magnetic closure. You can see that's a magnetic closure. And I just pop in here, and that's easy. All right, guys, so that's what I have for you today. Definitely like it. I like the way it sounds. I like the way it works. I definitely recommend this brand. So there's a link down below, like I said. I appreciate your time always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos. And I do all kinds of reviews, and hopefully we'll get some more higher end microphones in, and we can do some more testing with that and to see how they work. For now, I appreciate your time. Don't forget that. So that super thanks really helps support my channel. So anything I do raise within those platforms, or super thanks, does help support my channel. And I put more money back into my channel to buy better equipment to give you better reviews. And that's what I have for you today. So this is a cool little microphone for the price point. Actually, I do like it. I think it sounds pretty good. It's actually my new go-to microphone. So that's what I have. All right, I'll see you at the next one, and thanks for watching.